Hey guys, I hope you're all keeping safe and well. So this is just a short video with some information for anybody who's trying to book a practical or theory test during the lockdown. So yesterday we received an email from the DVSA and they've made some changes. So before you had to email the DVSA if you wanted to book a practical or theory test if you're a key worker. But now they've got a separate system, new system where you can make your application. So the email. So I'm going to quickly read out the email to you. From today, which is Friday 24th of April, we have launched a new service to help make it quicker and easier for key workers to apply for an emergency driving test or an emergency theory test. How the new service will work? Key workers will no longer need to email to request an emergency test. Instead, they will need to submit an application on gov.uk. They will be asked to supply their ID at the start of the application. So we have all the information we need to confirm if they're eligible for an emergency test. We will email those who meet the criteria with a new test date and a time at the nearest available test centre. This will be based on the information they provide when submitting their application. If your pupil is a key worker and has already requested an emergency test by emailing us, we will email them directly and explain that to continue their application, they will need to complete the online form. These applications will be prioritised over new applications. If your pupil requested an emergency test and were declined because they were not an NHS or social care worker, they should reapply using the new service. They will be put on a waiting list and be contacted once all NHS and social care key workers have been given a test. Okay, so they're prioritising NHS and social care workers first. And finally, we are aware that some of your pupils had to wait longer than anticipated for a test. This is due to the very high volume of requests we received. We are working hard to provide an emergency testing service and appreciate your patience and understanding during these times. Okay, so basically there's a new service to apply, and the link for the application I will list at the bottom of this video in the description. So yeah, any of you who are key workers and want to apply, use that link to make your application. And that's it guys. So yeah, just a quick video update really. So like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.